Hello, let's do the New York Times Medium Sudoku for June 12, 2024. There's a link in the description both to this puzzle as well as a video where I explain in detail all of the techniques I use. So if you do get confused about anything I do here, you can reference that video. And I'm going to get started now. All right, we're going to start here with this 9 and 5. The 5 does have a buddy, so 5's in one of these two. 9 does not have a buddy. We have the 2, 7, and 8. The 8 is the only one with a buddy. But it does place the 8 in this box because of all these 8s looking in. So we can place that 8. That's it for duplicates. Let's look at this row, which has 4 remaining cells. So we need the 1, 2, 3, and 9. I'm seeing this can't be 1 or 9. So this is only 2, 3. This can't be 1 or 2. So this is only 3, 9. This can't be 2 or 3, so this is 1, 9. I think this can be any of 1, 2, 3, 9. Which is unfortunate, but that's just how it is. Is there anything else here of note? Not that I can see. Let's move on. So we have the 1 and the 3. So we have these two 3s looking in. Puts a 3 in one of these two. We have the 6 and the 9. The 6 has a buddy over here. Putting a 6 up here. So anything else going on here? Not that I can see. Let's move on. So we have these 4 and the 7. Both have buddies. The 4s look in here. Putting a 4 in one of these two. And the 7s look in, along with this 7, putting a 7 in one of these two. So this box needs 3, 5, 6, 9. I'm seeing this 6, 9 looking down. So 6, 9 in this box can only go here. That's a hidden pair. And actually this 9 gets placed. There's only one place for 9 in the box, actually. And that leaves only one place for 6 in the box. And then the remaining 2 digits in the box are the 3 and the 5. Okay. Now we got this 9, 6. Does that do anything else? In terms of the band, I don't think so. Okay, I think, yeah, I think that's all we're getting for now. Let's do the stacks. So we have this 4 and 7. The 7 does have a buddy. In fact, the 7 gets placed in this box. Follow up on that 7 by looking at these 7s. Putting a 7 in one of these two. Okay, so 4 and 7, 1 and 3. No, okay, so no more buddies. I don't think there's anything else to do in this stack, so let's do this stack now. So we've got the 6 and the 9. So the 9 has, oh, the 9s are done. The 6 has a buddy. 6 is in one of these two. We also have the 5 and the 8. All right, so the 5 joins the 3, 5 pair here. In fact, this 3, 5 pair removes 3 from here, which I didn't see. So that places 3 in this box. And now where does 3 go in this box? This 3 looks in, the 3, 5 pair looks up. So 3 is in one of these 3. But I was going to look at the 5, with this 3, 5 pair looks in, this 5 looks down, putting a 5 in one of these two. The remainder of this column is only 3 digits. We need the 1, 2, and 4. I'm just going to fill that out. I don't see any restrictions on it, though. This column has 4 digits left. We need the 1, 5, no, not 5, 1, 6, 7, 8. So both of these see 6. So these are 1, 7, 8, and then we have the 1 and the 7 helping out as well. This can't be 8, so this is 1, 6, 7. And this can't be 8 either, so this is 1, 6, 7. Whoops, 1, 6, 7. So that means the 8 is in one of these two for the column. Oh, we had this buddy 8, which I didn't notice. How did I... Maybe I hadn't gotten there yet, and then I forgot. Quite possible. All right, I'm not going to look at this column quite yet. Let's actually just move on. So we have the 1 and the 5. The 5 does have a buddy. Places the 5 here. So this can't be a 5, and now according to our corner marks, this is the only place that can be 5 in the box. All right, so now that that 5 is placed, it has a buddy. So there's a 5 in one of these 3. It also reduced this column to 4 open cells. So what do we need? We need the 2, 3, 4, and 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. This can't be 3, so this is 2, 4, 7. I really, this can't be 2, I guess. This is 3, 4, 7. This can be any of them. Okay. So we got the 5. Excuse me. Still feeling quite under the weather right now. We're trying to get this video out. So this 8 looks down into here, putting an 8 in one of these two. That points down along with this 8, putting an 8 in one of these two. I'm noticing this 7 and this 7, putting a 7 in one of these two. I'm trying to find anything else that might be helpful here. I think it's just the 8. I guess this column is down to 4 open cells, so we need 2, 3, 8, 9. So we know these aren't 8, so these are 2, 3, 9. Oh, and this can't be 2 or 9, so this is a single 3. That's quite helpful. And so these are 2, 8, 9. That's not a 9. So what's this 3 do for us? Not much. Huh. Yeah. I guess it joins this 3. Putting a 3 in one of these two. This is almost a hidden quad. We just need one more digit restricted there. Let's take a look. Unfortunately, 1, 4, and 7 are already accounted for. 3, 5, 6, 6. Oh, there it is. So we have these two 6s looking down. This 6 looks in. So that's very nice. I must have not fully scanned for buddies in this stack, so I guess I'll go back and do that in a second. So that the 6 in this box can only go here. That displaced both a 3 and a 4. So that places the 3 and the 4, which then places the 7. This 3 places the 5 and the 3. This is down to 2, 8, 9, but the 8's point down. So this is only 2, 9. That 7 does place 7 in this box. Which means that can't be 7. So 7 in this box is one of these two. Okay, that's quite nice. Let's just look for buddies real quick, because I think I missed some. 3, 5, 6, 7. So the 3s were good. The 5s were good. The 6s were good. And the 7s were good. Okay. So I don't think we have any other duplicates. This box is down to 3 open cells. So we need 1, 2, and 9. The bottom cell can't be 2 or 9, so it's a 1. Okay, so that can't be 1 now. What can I do with 1s? 1's in one of these two. Aha. Actually, 1's in one of these two. And that points, removing 1 from here, so 1 in this box is only here. I guess that was 1 for the row as well. Okay. So that 1 has this buddy down here, along with both of these ones, placing this one here. I think we're almost done with 1s. Yeah, so we have 1s here, we have 1s here, and then we have 1s here. So we can corner mark these 1s, I guess. This column is down to 2, 8, 9. That's not a 9. This column is down to 1, 2, 4, 9. This isn't 1, so this is 2, 4, 9. This is not 9, so this is 1, 2, 4. This can be any of 1, 2, 4, 9. All right, so what am I missing here? Any other restricted rows, columns, boxes would be my first? Yeah, so like this row here. Yeah, let's look at this band more closely. So we need a 5 and an 8. Oh, sorry, 5 and 9, it looks like. So we don't know the order, but it is 5, 9. This is 2 or 8, and this 8 tells us the order. So that's 2, 8. Okay, and then over here, this triple, we have 1, 2. We need 3, 6, and 8. And this can't be the 3 or the 8. So that's a 6. Right, that 6 looks up, removing this 6. What else can I do here? Okay, that band is basically done. Let's take a look at this stack again. 1, 2. I'm looking at the digits we placed. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, is there anywhere else juicy to look then? 2, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 9. Huh. All right, what am I missing? This row is down to 4, 5, 6, 7. This cannot be the 6 or the 7, so this is only 4, 5. In fact, this whole column is just 4, 5, 9. This can't be 9. So 9 in this column can only go here. That's 5. These can't be 5. So that places 5 in this box, which places 5 and 6 in this box. This is 4, 6. This can't be 7, so this is only 4, 6. Oh, it can't be 6 either. So this is a naked 4. That's 7. That's 6. That's a 1. Okay. We get this 1 comes back down, giving us the 8, the 7. This is 2, 3, 4. All right, what else am I missing? This box, we need a 3, 4, 9. So the 4, oh no, not 4, sorry. We need 3, 6, 9. So the 6 can only go here. And then this is 3 or 9. All right, not quite collapsing yet, huh? I just need to pencil more. In fact, 8 in this row can only go here. I see this 8. So 8 is there. This is 1, 2, 4. Actually, it's just a 4 for the column. These aren't 4s. This cell, yeah, this is 2, 4, 9 triple, right? So this cell is whatever's left. It's an 8. Okay, that's 3 and 8. These, that comes back up to the 3 and the 9. Nice. 2, 4, 3. We get a 3 in the corner. Deet, deet, dooting. That's a 9 and a 2. That's a 4. We get our 2, 9, 1, 2 and 1, 9 and 2. We get our 4 here. Over here is 2 and 9. And we're done. All right, not too bad today. I'm trying to think if there was any like crucial step. I don't recall one. I think there was a hidden pair at some point that was pretty interesting. But yeah, just good use of our basic scanning techniques, I think, finished the puzzle. Let me know how you did on this one. If you enjoyed it, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.